Hi, my name is Joy, and I run a customization business for wedding essentials like invitations, customized wax seals, printed ribbons, which is also customized. I also do engraving on pens, and I sell dried flowers. So I run this business, this e-commerce business, but I am struggling with systematizing my operations, my production, and also my marketing, especially the marketing. Before the conversation with Sir Ariel, burnout is already been part of my daily life, daily business life. And so is the feeling of loneliness in my entrepreneurial journey, because sometimes I don't feel that somehow someone can relate to my struggles. And on top of it, I have been doing my business without a clear financial system in my back-end operations. With the conversation with Sir Ariel, it actually helped me gain clarity on to where and which task should I focus or do first. I actually already know that I have a lot of things that I should do as a business owner, and however, actually having someone to point out to you exactly which should be the priority is actually a very important thing for me, or maybe for you as well as a business owner. So what I like the most about my conversation with Sir Ariel is his experiential point of view when giving his assessment and advice, because he actually quotes his ideas from his readings, from the seminars he has attended, and I think that is actually a very professional gesture for someone giving an advice, because it made me feel that whatever he's teaching me from comes from proven or tested ideas or concepts. So my favorite concept that I would like or to implement in my operations is actually when he said not to treat your employees as family. This is a very applicable concept to me, because I am actually having a small group of people working for the customizations, but I actually treat them as my family, as part of my family. Like, we eat together, we understand each other's problems whenever they have one, and I sympathize with them as any normal people would. But again, Sir Ariel taught me not to treat my employees as family. According to him, our employees should be treated as a member of a team, and each one has one same goal, and which is to win. Okay? Not to comfort each other, just like any family member would. So, in his perspective, that is a no-no. And we are not family after all, so learning to treat each other as a sports team player will send everyone's mindset as to play the daily game and to win the daily game. Okay? But my most important takeaway is to definitely know, analyze, and memorize my business numbers by heart. Like, if someone happened to ask me about my numbers, I should be able to tell them that. And that is my the clarity that I got from my first business meeting with Sir Ariel. After the conversation, I feel like I have a very important task which has been present the whole time of my entrepreneurial journey, and I wasn't able to specify the problem on my own. So I am very thankful that I happened to meet this person and our paths crossed. I happened to acknowledge the problems that are existing without me knowing them. So if you are a business owner like me who feels burnt out or having this feeling of loneliness in your entrepreneurial journey, I totally recommend that you reach out to this amazing person. His name is Sir Ariel, and he will treat you with the utmost respect, regardless of your business problems and no matter how unknowledgeable you are in your business. So thank you again. See you soon.